We've got a New Holland L180, and the safety switches are acting up. So this is a little bit of overview of how to potentially get the switches working a little bit better. This is what the safety belt looks like over here on this side. I believe that's when you're sitting in the machine. This would be on your right side, bolted in down here. Yeah. Anyway, what I did is I took the bolt off of this down on the left side and took this piece out right here to get into the little micro switch inside of there. Once taking that unit off of the machine, this is kind of what it looked like. Here's the I think that might be maybe the part number, but there's some screws right here, 4 in each corner. I had to take those out, and then inside what we have is the mechanical lock, which comes right out. And then over here on the right top there's a little micro switch here that you can confirm if it's working or not, or if that little lever needs to be bent around to work better. And here's a picture of what the top of the micro switch looks like inside of the plastic housing. It just kind of like tightly fits in there. Here is a picture of the zippy micro switch, and it's got the it looks like the plunger is on the same side as the hinge, and it's opposite of the wires. So that's kind of, this little lever right here is being pushed down when you put the safety belt into the mechanism. A couple other pictures of what both sides of the switch looks like. There's your zippy switch. I think this one's normally open until that switch goes down and it's closed. Here is a switch that I'm gonna order off of eBay. It's a zippy switch. It's got normally open, normally closed, so I just get rid of one of those wires there for $25. And then lastly, here is a seat switch that I ordered as well. I'm going to replace that. So when you sit down, you got to be indicating a person in the seat in order for all the safety stuff to work on this particular unit on the L180 New Holland skid steer. And that's all I have. Good luck with your repairs.